Hi, I'm Kelly Scanlon, IPC's lead sustainability strategist, and we're here today with Robert Helleday from Mycronic, and we are talking about sustainability for electronics. We are so glad to be here and to have time together to talk about an important topic. So, Robert, welcome.
Thank you, Kelly.
And you said, I want to be on camera to do this interview. Why? Why?
Sustainability is a very important subject for us and for the planet. And for everybody working, yeah. So it's natural for us to do that.
So how can you at Mycronic move the needle for the planet?
For instance, we're talking about workforce and diversity. And here we have currently 80% female workers at Mycronic. And we have a goal to go up to 25%. We also measure the sort of in the employee survey, the diversity and inclusion score. That we want to move from 4.1, what we have now, out of 5, which is pretty good, to 4.3. So you could say it's a step-by-step, long-term approach to move the needle. And we've been doing this for many years as well.
Right. So moving the needle doesn't mean a big sweep. It means even just an incremental change that can have actually really big impact.
But a consistent and long-term approach. This is not just something for today. This is something that is going on.
So how long have you been doing this workforce development project?
We have been doing, one of the workforce development program we have done is to increase the number of people, especially women, to go to engineering. So for future engineering diversity, that's one of our tasks. And we have a program together with the Royal Swedish Academy of Science called Tekniksprånget in Swedish, and where we take young people right up from senior year in high school, and they do 4-month internship in Mycronic, where they do perform real work. They perform it very well, and they do that to see, do they want to become engineers or not? So they're like thinking between, should I do this or not? Then they come here, and most of them actually go to engineering. That means that we will have a bigger pool of females to recruit from. Not only Mycronic is doing this, but also other companies.
Right. So little bit, but you now have, do you even know how many graduates have come out of that internship? So I'm thinking it might be an awful lot.
It's got to be an awful lot.
For 10 years.
Yes. So it's and this program is very dear to me, and we love to have these young people in the company because they do great work, but also give a lot of energy to us, so that we can say, okay, this is a profession that is really fun and exciting, and it's not only about the little technology pieces, it's working together with people.
At IPC, we've been looking at what the industry sees as some of the problems in achieving their sustainability goals, and one of them is workforce. In the space of diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging, upskilling, bringing workers in who feel that they belong and have value, and that they're working for a company that's doing the right thing.
And we have a lot of, we are a Swedish company originally, but we have offices all over the world as sites. So this is not only Sweden. We have a multi-geographical training program with different initiatives all over the world to do this. And we actually measure this, because if you don't measure it, you don't know if you move the needle or not.
That's right.
So now we can see, do we move the needle and how much, and we can follow that up, and we have more things like that.
Wonderful. So in closing, what can you say in Swedish that promotes sustainability for the world?
Promote sustainability. Okay.
And advertises sustainability.
In Swedish? Okej. Vi har bara en planet. Låt oss ta hand om den väldigt noggrant.
And with that, Robert, wonderful to speak with you.
Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Thank you.